I've been told na konya na no musiasi kurugamba nganko ngale gasi narigiriga gaseti no CS okira na roli omwana musini neraba owa chairman wa national kurende Kisii National Polytechnic. I'm shocked. Kisii National Polytechnic is a big institution. I'm not saying no man olia okosoma na some. But institution iri tegeto mondo omanene. Uraro liro bokima. Urakole managerial skills. Ni yeito ntutu agambira abantu barori. But I'm shocked. Nane kene na roli ogotebanga nabo barabibanga. Onye no gambo yo nara gotetea. Onko matetea anyitari koror. But ni nyasaye no. Takura tiganje ndara kira rindigo. Ndara kira kineka. Ya kabere. Kwa na mono kwa roba. Obo mo gwitu mo kusi. Besides nga avansa mo basi ngantura support matiangi. Tutakere to bamo. Kero to averamo. No ene rebe toko ene uchi abarande to support William Ruto. Tutaje ko bamo egere tomoro no gamba kwen ari ngaine ga nonyo origa. Bosia simbogocha. Next time onye Ruto ko irejikura. Onye kura njiri burusi. Yes. And I want to speak now openly and boldly. Ogamba na jikura irangara rusi ikuruma so. Ikuruma bori ya gotebanga echinji je serutu. Igo as much as ekara segura ata baso kanga ekeru keria igo kerache to him again. Ekara go ikaransa agote akoragira rutunga rwachikura cha ruri Kisii county. Yes.
Yes.
And I've sat with that CS. I've told him, my brother, make a structure here. As much as you are te beka bantu bogetutu, beka bantu bonjali, beka bantu bari etim yao. Bone gento kero kegene naba abapunge bari barange ne. Nabano mwana yawa nsairi umuru. Umwana yawa nyuma maide. Nande you see dimaitia bantu abaitu ba Kenya kwanza usinkolengera bre. No gamba tigamuruka dimaitia sinkolengera yet. Umwana yagari kire Murang'a University. Yeah, administrator ya Murang'a University. Nani ngakibako mawa chairman wa Kisii National Polytechnic. You see, abantu bachiresika ano batari korengerenga ngakibara akonye omo president William Ruto. Ayoro cha abantu bane mbanje. Aya, how many supporters saidi yabwate? There are so many. Bande bare korete, barisika abakaka banda banene, abamurabanda banene batabwate gas. Orine gas konya. Usine gas ya. Nando moire yende. Let us see, and that's why we are saying a change in Nyariba Church is inevitable. We need to monitor to analyze nando what again to talk ekana abo mo MCA ekaro County Government Act Article 12 first section 1A igego tabanga region of balance kero kuruchigas kero kolemme munwe then omwana onyasa kama konya kaba aliye tanga bono sairi ari kuri umuntu ndenero utari gasi akoreke amoe wa chairman we National Polytechnic Ogamba era takora asateni era tari kubora abori byengaki imoyo ye kwandetera sairi we abwate kende Ogamba no muwakiri osomete tari muntu utasomete na kiwate eberanga policies omaite cabinet secretary is a policy maker unless you understand how you do that policy you can do nothing. He doesn't understand. He doesn't understand. I want to explain to our people to get it. He doesn't even understand the policy making. Reason being, tanganara aburia amanye. Ono we can service. He cannot know.
Yes.
You cannot speak. A follow up with whatever.
Yes.
Ne kebono kerokyo. Eke keroke na kiamoitire. We kalkula aburia ki kwandete. Abachumbe mbariche kwa makonya. Abachumba aba banene ayonda tabiri nganko ganda barika baje ko makonya oyo moye riete ribwe katari gocha tariko irabo chumbe bwanya ribaja komo tomatoreka
yes